so cool to just do my hair really quickly in some braids because I wanted to get some. So let's go ahead and let's get into this style. I did use the Rubberband method for this hairstyle. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment below if you've tried this style. Do you think you can try it? Do you want to do it? If you have any questions, don't forget to ask. Like this video, share it with anybody who is going to use it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Subscribe, baby, okay? Because I already know that 98% of y'all ain't subscribing, so I need you to subscribe, okay? All right, I'll see you guys next time. All right, so I am actually going to be doing the Rubberband method. So I'm right now creating the little parts and sections. And then I'm using the Shine and Jam. This is actually my first time trying this method. I did some box braids on myself. Maybe it was last year or earlier this year.
Don't tell me.
How about you tell me why your belly is trying to kill you?
This method a try because it looks so much easier. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and tie that up. So it's just like you're already getting the hair ready when you do these little sections right here, that it makes it so much easier. Okay, so my little sections and everything are done. I just twisted everything up for now because I'm actually gonna go to bed. But in the morning, then we'll come back and we'll do the braids. And I'm excited about this style because I think it's gonna be real cute because I'm gonna put some accessories and everything, girl. So good night. Jumbo braid by Sensational, Kanekalon fiber, and this is from the African collection. Once I get the hair is I'm just staggering it, and I'm just kind of pulling and shimming between my fingers to get the hair staggered, and so that at the ends it's not going to be a blunt tip at the end. And then I have my this is probably about the size section that I'm going to be using for this. probably about the size section that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna take a little bit of that hair, a part of the section, and I'm gonna lay it across the center of the hair piece that I'm gonna be using. And then of course I will use this to put together with my hair here. Now what I've done is I've been using gel, and I just put gel all over this hair strand. As you can see, this strand is you know, saturated with gel. And so now I'm just gonna braid it into this here. Starters, this is that middle section right here. I'm just gonna take the hair and equal it up there. Just gonna make it even with that. All right, so I'm just gonna make sure that on this end, I'm gonna take this and make sure that's where I'm gonna start my grip. And it helps to push it back some. So I'm just gonna take this piece of hair right here, and I'm just gonna wrap and grab the other side over here. And this is the piece that I made in the middle with my hair connected to it. And then I'm just gonna start braiding this section, being sure to twist my hair into, so twisting my natural hair into the hair to kind of cover it and keep it covered. Once the braid is finished, take your little clip off, and then going up the braid, you just want to cut off any fly hairs. And then once I'm done with that, then I just take my lighter, if I feel like a braid might need it, and just, you know, any extra stray hairs, just to kind of get everything looking really good. Then I'll just kind of give it a little flame real quick, little quick flame, and do that. And that is every braid is done. I'm so happy. This is what we looking like in the back. And so now I'm about to dip it in the water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and accessorize. Here's the hot water. I'm just gonna dip the hair in, and I'm not putting any curls. Last time I did this style, I actually put curls on the ends of the braids. This time, baby, we just dipping and finishing, okay? I ain't doing all that this time. And I'm just gonna again dip that hair in the water. Don't burn yourself, be careful. Pay attention to what you're doing. And then you wanna dry that off. So guys, if you like this tutorial, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and watch my other videos, because I got like 250 videos, so check them out. You know what I mean? Like, I got hella videos on here, so go on and check them out. I will probably be showing you guys my braids again tomorrow, but in case I don't, I wanted to give you this here.